So Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have witnessed a drop recently. However, with Ethereum hitting a new all-time high and Bitcoin trading around the 63,000 mark, it appears that the crypto market is going towards an upward trend. And this indicates that both Doge and SHIB are going to have a bull run in the coming days. In this video, I'll talk about market analysis for Doge and SHIB while talking about some important developments from the crypto world. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So Doge is currently hovering around just below 27 cents, and despite a drop to 2%, the overall trend is looking quite optimistic. However, this small consolidation is required because Dogecoin's relative strength index has been lingering around 67% for the last week, which is close to overbought territory and might be seen as a sell signal by technical traders. And, while the price retraced slightly, Doge stayed close to the important support level of 27 cents. And if Dogecoin closes the next few sessions near its day's high, it will print a bullish movement, indicating that higher prices are on the horizon in the coming days. Additionally, Dogecoin's price has had 4 consecutive lower highs and 4 consecutive equal lows over the last 6 months. Additionally, a descending triangle can be seen by connecting the swing points in this 6-month consolidation with trend lines. This technical pattern predicts a 361% increase, which is measured by multiplying the distance between the swing high and the triangle's base. With this range added to the breakout point, Doge might reach 50 cents in the following months. However, the supply zone between 25 cents and 34 cents is a considerable impediment. As a result, a decisive close above 34 cents will confirm the revival of buyers and initiate a further 27% advance to the next resistance level at 44 cents. Apart from this, Doge faces little to no pushback. As a result, investors can anticipate a rise in Dogecoin's price to 50 cents. On the other hand, Shiba Inu has failed to break above the critical resistance level of $0.000073 and is now falling down towards the $0.00006 support level. The price movement, as well as the indicators, indicate that SHIB may have depleted its fuel supply during the previous rise, and it appears that it will require additional time to recuperate before it can go higher. Typically, low-volume days precede a significant move, and this may occur once SHIB approaches for assistance. In this instance, it is prudent to exercise patience and wait for the price to determine its next move. Shiba Inu has already had an incredible rally season this year. As a result, some depletion is possible at this point, and there may be insufficient fuel remaining to rocket SHIB higher in the near future. Meanwhile, crypto exchange Kraken has failed to keep a promise made on Twitter to list Shiba Inu. As revealed in my previous video, Kraken's product lead tweeted earlier that Kraken will offer Shiba Inu if the tweet earned 2,000 likes. And at the time of recording this video, the tweet has garnered more than 77,000 likes. However, as of now, Shiba Inu remains unavailable for purchase and sale on Kraken, and the exchange has now stated in a follow-up tweet that while they have heard loud and clear from SHIB fans, they still have more work to do as they proceed through their listing approval process. Besides, Kraken did not elaborate on when or whether it would list Shiba Inu. On the other hand, 3 petitions urging Amazon to adopt Shiba Inu are gaining traction and have accumulated over 173,000 signatures on Change.org. Justin Taylor, the person who started the petition with the most signatures to date, noted on the petition's Change.org page that the Shiba Inu community wants Amazon to seriously consider accepting SHIB for goods and services on its marketplace. He feels that if this occurs, both Shiba Inu users and Amazon will gain benefits. Now I think that the Shiba Inu community appears to be courting billionaire Jeff Bezos to become a patron of SHIB, while the world's wealthiest person, Elon Musk, has refused to do so, opting instead for Dogecoin. However, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Amazon will adopt Shiba Inu or not? Let me know in the comments section. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is steadily rising in price at the start of November, bolstering a resurgent crypto market that has seen several all-time highs among leading cryptos. And with Bitcoin currently hovering around the 63,000 mark, analysts are predicting it can see a new all-time high by the end of this year. Besides, Ethereum has already struck a new all-time high, surging beyond $4,600 for the first time in its history, owing to a surge in demand for its blockchain network. Moreover, analysts think that ETH's breakthrough to a new all-time high is just the beginning, as one 2017-era fractal pattern targets a $14,000 Ethereum price in the near future. So it appears that the growing price of Ether comes following the recent Altair update to the Ethereum Beacon chain as part of the protocol's transition to ETH2 and a proof-of-stake mechanism, which has also seen more than 8 million Ether taken from circulation and staked in the ETH2 contracts. And data from Cointelegraph indicates that since trading at a low of $2,780 during September, the price of Ether has surged 62.54% higher in a little over a month to create a new all-time high at the start of November. Besides, a basic, straightforward price estimate for Ether was supplied by Cointelegraph contributor Michael van de Poppe, who said that Ethereum's chart shows an impulse jump from $4,500 to $6,000 by the end of November and eventually $14,000 by the start of 2022. And now coming to Bitcoin, JP Morgan has reiterated its forecast that Bitcoin can reach $146,000 in the long run, provided volatility calms and institutions begin to favor it over gold in their portfolios. However, JP Morgan stated that in order for the $146,000 price to become a reality, Bitcoin's enormous volatility would have to diminish precipitously, making it acceptable to rules-bound investors. Besides, JP Morgan believes that Bitcoin is rapidly competing with gold for investors' attention as an inflation hedge, and it is an asset that will appreciate in value even as inflation erodes the value of other assets. Meanwhile, U.S. Senator Ted Cruz has recently introduced a resolution on the Senate floor that would require the acceptance of crypto payments at all gift shops, restaurants, and vending machines located within the Capitol complex. The resolution, titled Adopting Cryptocurrency in Congress as an Exchange of Payment for Transactions, also prohibits the architect of the Capitol from entering into contracts that prohibit the use of crypto as a form of payment unless those contracts are cost-effective and value-centered for customers. Besides, Cruz stated in an interview that as customers gain a greater understanding and acceptance of crypto, merchants are increasingly accepting crypto as a form of payment. However, Congress is notorious for being hesitant to adopt new technologies, and his bill would put Congress in a position to lead on this issue. On the other hand, U.S. lawmakers Tom Emmer and Darren Soto have recently petitioned the SEC and its chairman, Gary Gensler, to authorize a spot Bitcoin ETF. According to an official letter, Emmer and Soto questioned why the SEC approved futures-linked Bitcoin ETF, but not those that hold Bitcoin itself. They further added that if the SEC is capable of approving Bitcoin futures ETF, as evidenced by their trading, it should likewise be capable of approving Bitcoin spot ETF. And as per a recent report, crypto exchange Coinbase is now allowing customers to borrow as much as 40% of their Bitcoin value up to $1 million with no credit checks. According to the official announcement, the loans will have an annual percentage rate of 8% and will not need borrowers to submit credit checks. However, the minimum and maximum loan amounts may vary by state. Moreover, customers can acquire funds through PayPal or their bank accounts, and they will be required to make monthly interest payments of at least $10, and Coinbase offers flexible repayment options. And coming back to Shiba Inu, analysts think that Shiba Inu is preparing for a new surge. So according to analysts, since the new all-time high of $0.000088, Shiba Inu has established 4 lower highs. Multiple times, these peak swing lows have sliced through the $0.000064 support floor, creating a pool of liquidity for market makers to collect. And Shiba Inu is expected to sink into the range of $0.000055 to $0.000062 or momentarily below it in order to collect sell-stop liquidity. And this enables market makers to drive SHIB higher. So Shiba Inu will initially come up against the $0.000078 resistance level, followed by the current all-time high of $0.000088. Similarly, analysts are anticipating Doge triggering a brief run-up before retesting a support level. So analysts think that market makers are likely to favor a rally above 34 cents in order to collect liquidity in the form of buy stops. As a result, we can see a 25% increase in Dogecoin's price in the near future. And following this run-up, if Doge maintains a decisive daily close above 34 cents, the chances of this uptrend continuing significantly improve. So do you think both Doge and SHIB are going to rise in the coming days? Let me know in the comments section below.